is for alligator, snapping in the sun. B is for bear, who loves to run. C is for cat with a curious face. D is for dog, who loves to chase. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, who sings all day long. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for horse with thundering feet. I is for iguana, green and sly. J is for jaguar, leaping high. K is for kangaroo, hopping free. L is for lion, king of that tree. M is for monkey, swinging away. N is for nightingale, who sings all day. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, dressed in white. Q is for quail, small and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. S is for snake that slides so low. T is for tiger, watch him go. U is for unicorn, shining bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, so huge and blue. X is for x-ray fish, we can see through. Worry, don't pray, fall. Y is for yak, bit low, so wide. Z is for zebra, striped with pride.